Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm a senior in civil engineering at Colorado State University. I have worked very closely with Engineers Without Borders, and as a part of Engineers Without Borders, I traveled to El Salvador in January of 2007. And when we traveled to El Salvador, we did a lot of surveying, and we looked into just kind of what their water system is, what their current status is, and really worked with them to develop a solution to these water quality and water quantity problems that they have. And the community we work in, it's La Laguneta, it's on the side of a volcano, very isolated, very small community of about 600 people. The only time in my life I've ever really been away from society for that long, from society as I know it at least. I mean, we didn't have access to telephones, really, we didn't have access to internet, and it was just a really good opportunity to see how different people throughout the world are living. We went down there essentially to conduct surveying of the community. We took elevations and got distances. And with that information, we came back to the university and we designed a water distribution system and a water treatment system to help alleviate their issues with water quality and water quantity. The women in this community were it was really taxing for them because they'd have to walk down this really steep ravine at least 4 or 5 times a day to gather water. And it was a very time-consuming project. It was a very labor-intensive project. So by installing this distribution system, it made the water a lot more accessible, which has really helped out the women in the community so they can pursue other ventures, they can work a little bit more, they can take care of their children a little bit more, and they're not just so physically exhausted by the end of the day. From this whole experience with Engineers Without Borders, I've just really started to appreciate how lucky I am to be in the United States and really just turn on, like every time I turn on the faucet now or every time I take a shower, I just always remember that there are billions of people throughout the world who don't have this opportunity, and water is just not something they take for granted. We went down there, the people were very inviting, they were very friendly and very happy, and just being able to see that they can be happy even though they are struggling with these water issues was just amazing to me. They had a big community ceremony by the taps they installed, and pretty much the entire community of El Chile, so about 600 people, of those 600 people, probably about half of them showed up to see them turn on the water, and we have some incredible pictures of just these children who also have the duty of getting water, just turning on this faucet and seeing water coming out and filling up their canteros. It's just an incredible experience, and seeing these pictures is just incredible because you can tell on all these people's faces that it is really life-changing for them.